Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn. Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. So for this week's vlog video, I'm making a walk down at the South Florida Fair, guys. This is so amazing. I can't wait for showing you what I go on. You wanna look on that one here? It's alright guys, that one I named the Arbiter. Look on this crap, how crazy yo. Nah sir, I wonder how people really go up on them something here. This crap crazy yo. Like when my head don't spin. But I saw how dizzy come off of this crap yo. It's pretty cool though. And then that one right there, so check out that one here. I guess down in a dark part still, but I'm scared of heights, so I ain't gonna try a crap like this. No, not. Guys, I'm noticing all of them right there is that everything I spin around, you know, I'm not see nothing where actually look calm, but I might try. Cause all of this craziness enough for me, yo. Like, look at this crap. So this thing I will give me a heart attack if I go up on this. That one is called the Mighty Mouse. Okay. I wonder why they call it so. Oh, I guess the cat. The cards them actually look like a mouse. Alright. I guess it makes sense. But this is actually a pretty cool one. I think I'll probably try this one though. Cause I kinda like roller coasters and this stuff, that one don't look too bad, you know? That one look like my speed. They call that one the Street Fighter. But that one named Coma to me. Definitely a Coma, yeah, going after that one. Yeah, check out this. Look at this crap. Yeah, let's see this crap. Oh, me I do on this. Yo. Look at this crap. Nossa. Alright guys, look on that bullet. I always say more than one ride when I them are still on the boat. When I think I'm brave enough today. Look at this crap. Oh yeah, them say win what? Win $100? What? It's only $10 to stay on for 8 seconds. And you win $100, guys. This is a scam, you know, because you can't stay up on this in 8 seconds. Nobody now go win the $100 then. Alright guys, look at the brother I got try. Let's see if we can angle it. $10.
Alright, now scoot up tight to your hand. Move up tight to your hand. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, comes up to one hand to ride. Now hand up in the air, rock and roll with Starbucks.
Alright. Alright.
Hang on, Louis.
Alright.
I want to show you.
This is a hold it door. Hold it big. Hold it. Hold it big. Alright. 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 Let him try, people. Let him try. Try. Oh, I guess he might get another try. Alright, let's see if he might go hold it this time.
Alright, here we go. Hang on now.
Alright. 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 Oh, shit. This seems pretty fun though. I'll try this shit. If I didn't have my camera, I would try this. This seems pretty fun, guys. Jesus Christ. Like really rain. I know you feel like to come now. enjoy themselves in the rainbow. People still are coming all over the rain and fall. I guess rain not stop nobody from enjoy themselves, you know. But yeah.
Who's next? Who's ready? The longer you hang on, the bigger.
Alright guys, this is more my speed, you know. This is the only one thing that I take a chance with. Alright guys, kinda interested to see what I wanna go in the background. I'm gonna flip the camera real quick, I'm gonna see what I'm going. Alright, it's about to start, you know. So I'm going for this thing. Alright. It's going up, people. Right, just going around. I feel like this is going to be one of the crazy ones, you know. Like my mind I tell me so this thing going to be crazy. Now let's see what's going to happen though. Alright. Alright. Y'all see this? Tell me no. Why me don't want to go on this? Look at this, man. Yo. Every single place you pass, I try to sell you something. I tell them I'm coming here for buy now, I just come here for look. That's all I'm coming here for. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Want to subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment below so I can know what y'all thinking.
Rush-Dem Rushawn.